Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of the Health Channel. Today I want to talk about a type of berry that almost everyone knows and is very delicious. Stay with me until the end of this video. The raspberry is the edible fruit of several plant species in the genus Rose of the rose family, most of which are in the subgenus Ideabalis. The name also applies to these plants themselves. Raspberries are perennial with woody stems. World production of raspberries in 2023 was 941,000 tons, led by Russia with 23% of the total. Raspberries are cultivated across Northern Europe and North America and are consumed in various ways, including as whole fruit and in preserves, cakes, and ice cream. A raspberry is an aggregate fruit developing from the numerous distinct carpels of a single flower. Each carpel then grows into individual drupelets, which, taken together, form the body of a single raspberry fruit. As with blackberries, each druplet contains a seed. What distinguishes the raspberry from its blackberries relatives is whether or not the thorus stays with the fruit. With a raspberry, the thorus remains on the plant, leaving a hollow core in the raspberry fruit. An individual raspberry weighs 3 to 5 grams and is made up of around 100 drupelets. A raspberry bush can yield several hundred berries a year. Raspberries thrive in well-drained soil with a pH between 6 and 7 with ample organic matter to assist in retaining water. Raspberries need ample sun and water for optimal development. While moisture is essential, wet and heavy soils or excess irrigation can bring on Phytophthora rot, which is one of the most serious pest problems faced by the red raspberry. As a cultivated plant in moist, temperate regions, it is easy to grow and tends to spread unless pruned. Escaped raspberries frequently appear as garden weeds, spread by seeds found in bird droppings. Raspberries are ground for the fresh fruit market and for commercial processing into individually quick frozen fruit, puree, juice, or dried fruit used in a variety of grocery products such as raspberry pie. Various kinds of raspberries can be cultivated from hardiness zones 3 to 9. Raspberries are traditionally planted in the winter as dormant canes, although planting for tender, plug plants produced by tissue culture has become much more common. Most raspberries have shoots that are biennial, its meaning shoots grow in the first growing season and fruit grow on those shoots during the second growing season. The flowers can be a major nectar source for honeybees and other pollinators. The fruit is harvested when it comes off the receptacle easily and has turned a deep color, cream black, purple or golden yellow, depending on the species and cultivar. This is when the fruits are ripest and sweetest. Raspberries are an important commercial fruit crop, widely grown in all temperate regions of the world. Raw raspberries are 86% water, 12% carbohydrates, and have about 1% each of protein and fat. Raspberries supply 53 kilocalories and 6.5 grams of dietary fiber. Raspberries are a rich source of vitamin C, manganese, and dietary fiber, but otherwise have low content of micronutrients. In this moment, I will mention two of the countless benefits of raspberries. Number 1. Raspberries for cardiovascular health. Raspberries are rich in fiber, which helps maintain heart health. 1 cup of raspberries contains 8 grams of fiber. Another reason raspberries are great for the heart is their anthocyanins. Research data shows that consuming 0.2 mg of anthocyanins per day can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. These compounds play a pivotal role in reducing oxidative damage and inflammation associated with cardiovascular disease. In fact, raspberries contain other bioactive polyphenols that help reduce the risk of heart disease. Raspberries also have other effects on blood vessels and platelets in a healthy heart. Raspberries also help to dilate arteries, which helps blood flow smoothly and prevents plaque buildup, prevents the formation of blood clots. They also contain salicylic acid, which has cardioprotective properties similar to aspirin. Vitamin C is another compound in raspberries known to help with heart disease because it prevents plaque formation. Number 2. Raspberries to boost memory and slow down the aging process. The anti-inflammatory properties of raspberries can be attributed to the presence of anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid that preserves the water content of their cells and fights inflammation. Raspberries are rich in compounds that have been shown to increase and maintain memory function. The polyphenols found in raspberries are known to treat age-related cognitive impairment. Fruits like raspberries, which are rich in antioxidants, are excellent for the skin. First of all, they prevent the damaging effects of the sun. They also prevent redness if your skin is sensitive. The presence of vitamin C in raspberries makes them an ideal food to prevent skin cancer. The sugars found in raspberries protect people from premature aging, which is shown by their antioxidant effects. Despite all its health benefits, raspberries can cause some health complications if consumed in excess. These delicious and nutrient-rich fruit naturally acts as a laxative and diuretic, kidney strengthening and fluid reducing. But remember, if you overdo it, you may experience diarrhea, dehydration, and electrolyte imbalance in the body. It is quite natural for some people to be allergic to certain foods, such as raspberries. Some people may experience allergic symptoms after eating raspberries. These symptoms can range from itchy mouth and skin to wheezing, nausea, abdominal pain, and dizziness. As a result, if you have ever experienced these symptoms while consuming raspberries, it is better to reduce its consumption or decay to consult your doctor. At the end of this video, it is an honor to be with you. For more information about other fruits and vegetables, follow other videos of this channel. If this information was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions about raspberries, ask in the comment section. Your health is our wish. Have a nice day.